Hey, this is Scott. Thanks for taking a look on your virtual video walk around. This is the 2017 the Ford Explorer. Stock number is 7487. Let's take a look at this Explorer up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This Explorer has just over 20,000 miles, so super low miles. As you can see, rear door automatic. Third row seating for your guests, friends, and family. Ample cargo space as well. This does have the 3.0-liter six-cylinder motor with the 6-speed automatic transmission. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior rear, as you can see. And making our way into the front cab, you're going to see it does have power seats. Heated seats, who doesn't like that? Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. For more information on this Explorer or any other SUVs or trucks in our inventory, call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.